Morning, well, it's Hippy Trev here. A bit cloudy and overcast outside, and let's hope we get a little bit of rain because my lawns are all dead. So, I decided to get into another model. I've got a few days with not much happening. Just a quick reminder, got the draw tomorrow night, 9 p.m. Queensland time for either the 55 Chevy or the Fast and the Furious model. So if you haven't got your entries in, email me hippy_trev6666 at live.com.au. Tell me why you might want to have a go at building a model, and I'll put you in the draw for tomorrow night. And I've got a mystery guest coming along to actually do the draw. So I've decided to get into my models again, all that bulk buy lot I got. And also there's some models one of my subscribers, Frank, sent me. Now, we all know how much I really appreciate when someone sends me a model. Actually, I really appreciate when anyone sends me anything. I absolutely love it, and it's always very humbling. So Frank, mate, this is one of the models you sent me. And it's a Revell model, and Revell's normally pretty good. So I opened the box up, instruction sheet. There's no chrome in the box. Well, that's okay. So there's our little frame, and that's it as far as parts. That's all the parts that come with it. Okay. There's some glass. There's some glass, but there's no headlights. And that. Some decals. And a bonnet. And looking in the box, there's no tyres. There are no rubber tyres in the box. And like, I've been shortchanged here, so what the hell's going on? So I'm going back through the parts, having a good look. What are these things? Now look over here, plastic fucking tyres. They're the wheels that they've sent for the model. They're not even rubber anymore. And this is a Revell model. So I hate to say it, these look more like crappy ass Aldi kits or something. Frank, nothing against you, mate. You don't know what's in the box, and you know, if you don't know much about models or something, I said I really appreciate everyone sending me something. Like, I'm thinking, where are the tyres? Where's the rest of the bits? And then that's the tyres they sent me. So not overly impressed with this kit at all, unfortunately. I will put it together, it's what I do. And because it was sent to me, the two model kits there is a choice of that I'm giving away. They're ones I bought myself. Anyone sends me anything, I never pass on to anyone, I never sell, I never get rid of it. And if someone takes the trouble to send me something, I at least show the respect that it deserves. So, unfortunately, and like I said, Frank, this has got nothing on you, mate, at all. So that's a Revell kit. What is it? The 61 Camaro Revell kit. If I'd have paid 40 or 50 bucks off the shelf, or even if I'd paid 35, 40 bucks to buy this off a Facebook page, plus postage, I would have been really, really disappointed with what's coming in the box. So, as far as I can tell, anything like 2000 onwards, the model kits just aren't worth buying. I'm going to do a date check on this. So this is another one that I bought. This is an AMT model, which we all know I love my AMT models. Not. So far, I mean, Revell used to be top of the line. You got your Tamiyas and a few others. Revell used to be a very good quality kit. So I'll see if I can get a date on this. All right. So I can't find a date on this. Maybe it's on the instruction sheet. So let's open this one up, because I let everyone know that I've got some really fantastic colours coming along. So there's our kit. Same thing. That's it. 2 and a bit trees. Some glass. Some chrome. At least this one comes with real tyres, and a fairly good decal sheet. So I said, I bought this kit in a bulk buy of about 13. I think it was about 13 that I bought. I bought a couple of kits. I built a couple of models out of that box already. The Chevelle was a piece of shit. The T-bucket, not so good. Now I'm onto this, and I'm thinking, if this is the quality of the kits they're turning out now, I'd quit model building right now. These are crap. These are literally crap. I don't even want to, I'm not even sure I want to waste my paints, my really good paint, the paint that I was like so excited about to build a model and paint up and everything. I was like, I don't even know if I want to waste that colour on such a poor quality model. Yeah, I'm disappointed. Like, really. The quality of these kits are absolute garbage. Where's that instruction sheet, actually? Let's see if I can get a date on when this was actually released. All right, so this is this kit was put out in 2018. So what's that, 4 years ago, 5 years ago. So this was a brand new kit 5 years ago. AMT and Revell, you've certainly dropped the ball as far as kits are concerned. I've opened a couple of the other model kits. Very, very disappointing. I think if I ever buy some more model kits, I will be looking at something pre-2000s, most definitely, and probably even something pre-1990s. I don't know. This is yeah, it's really sad. You know, well, I'm stumped. I'm absolutely stumped. I can't believe what I'm looking at here. I was so looking forward to these kits, and I'm saying, you know, Revell, good quality kits. They're not. They're absolutely garbage. And like I said, you know, I expected, like I said, Frank, mate, sorry. These are absolutely garbage, these kits. And I don't know how much you paid for these, mate. But I hope it wasn't too much, because I'm going to have a smoko break and decide whether I really want to waste my fantastic colour on such a shit quality product. Now, there's the big truck. Now, I've got the big truck Dex sent me. G'day, mate, Dex from WA. He sent me the big truck, which my drag truck goes on the back of, which I've already built the drag truck. That's the drag truck there. And this is a big kit, so it goes on the back of this. A beloved AMT. It's still in plastic wrap. I haven't it up. Dex said he actually built this kit, he said. It's a good quality kit, but he also said that everything in the kit's pretty much black. So I don't know if I want to paint this the colour I want, because I'd have to do a full primer over everything, and then you just get... So I'd have to, do a full primer over everything, and then I want to put my paint over the top, and by that you're getting quite a few layers of paint up. And this is the sort of kit I really want to, you know, give it what it deserves. But as far as these... Now, there's this beautiful Monaro kit that Dex also sent me. Mate, thank you. I haven't been game to start this one. Like, I mean, look at the box it comes in for a start. The box itself, like, yeah, it's looking like quality. And you get into a kit something like this, and you've got a really good tyres. This is like a full-on kit. I'm actually scared to start this one, because it actually comes with screws and tools and all sorts of things. This is a good top quality kit. And what I wanted to do was get a few of my AMT or Revell kits done and under my belt before I actually took this kit on, because this has been the kit it is, been such a good quality kit. I just, you know, I want to do a really good effort, and yeah, like, I just wanted to get, you know, a little bit of practice and skill up on. Anyway, well, I'm going to get back to you a bit later, and Yeah, well, I'll get back to you a bit later when I've decided which one I'm actually going to have a go at putting together. But right now, even the kits I bought, like that bulk buy of the 15 kits I bought, not happy, and yeah, I'm just not happy with the quality of the kits I've bought myself. So, anyway, well, I'll catch you a bit later. Bye. Anyway, well, so this is just a short vid on what I call the disappointment of the quality of the model kits coming out these days. The ones I built up until I bought this box were all pretty good quality kits. They must have all been fairly early kits, and they were like, you know, good quality kits, plenty of parts, plenty of chrome, good decals and so forth. And then, like I said, I bought this box of 15. So I built that Chevelle. The first one out of this box I built was the Chevelle, and that was crap. And then I built the T-bucket, and you know, that was more me than the kit, but the kit wasn't overly great. And then I get into these ones, like I said, yeah, look, I keep apologising, Frank, I don't want to put anyone down, but the quality of these kits, and it's not your fault, who knows. And like I said, I bought 13 of these kits, and every one I open up, just totally disappointed. So, you know, well, this is just a very short vid. I will decide at some stage what I'm going to do about building another model. Like I said, I've got that wicked spray paint. I want to put that on something really good. I certainly don't want to put it on the quality of these models I'm looking at here right now. So anyway, Wells, like I said, the draw tomorrow night for anyone to come along, 9 p.m. Queensland time, and I have a very special mystery guest coming along to help me do the draw to make it all look nice and legit. So right now, Wells, stay safe, keep your knees in the breeze, and I will catch you later. Bye.